Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can purchase or buy more storage on Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, Google Photos is connected to all other Google services using the Google Cloud, and that is what you'll be using to purchase that additional storage. Now, you can purchase it through any other application or Google service. However, the way to do it through Google Photos is very easy as well. Now, to do it on mobile, it is very easy. As you can see here, you just need to open up the app, sign into your account, and then tap on your profile picture, and from there go into photo settings, backup, and into buy storage. Then you just need to select a storage plan. After you do that, add or select a payment method and tap subscribe, and that should be it. Then once a month, your balance will be deducted so that you can pay for the subscription, and you'll have the more storage available. On PC, it is very similar. You just go onto photos.google.com, sign in, go into settings, go into the backup quality options, then select buy storage, and again select a plan, add a payment method, and subscribe. And on iOS, it is pretty much the same on Android. You just open up the app, sign into your account, go into your profile picture, go into account storage, tap get 100 gigabytes plus of storage, and follow the instructions to complete the purchase. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.